So, you've just received your new Dygma Sonsei and you're very happy, just like me. Now it's time to set it up. Let's jump right to it. The Dygma Sonsei has 3 modes: Bluetooth, USB, and off. Let's start with Bluetooth. Step 1. Put the Sonsei in Bluetooth mode. There's a small switch on the side of the Sonsei. Toggle it down to activate Bluetooth. Step 2. Select your Bluetooth channel. The Sonsei can pair to up to 5 devices. Press a number from 1 through 5 to select the desired channel. Step 3. Connect and enjoy. The Dygma Sonsei will show up in your Bluetooth pairing menu. Select it and a number will pop up on the screen. Press those numbers on the keyboard and you're good to go. Bonus track: how to switch devices. To switch devices, press the Bluetooth pairing key on your keyboard. Then select the channel you want to connect to. This is what each color means. Green means active channel. White means assigned channel. Blue means available channel. Holding red deletes the pairing on that channel. Let's switch to USB next. Step 1. Put the Sonsei in USB mode. Toggle the switch on the left side up to activate USB mode. Step 2. Connect to the PC. Connect the keyboard to the computer using any of the provided USB-C cables. You can also use the 90-degree adapter to make the cable go straight up. Now, let's turn it off. Simply place the switch in the center position. Finally, let's talk about charging. The Dygma Sonsei has an expected battery life of 40 days without LEDs, and over 8 hours of continuous use at 100% brightness. You can check the battery level at any time on BaseCore, on your Bluetooth menu, or by pressing the designated battery key on your keyboard, even while charging. The LEDs on the numbers 1 through 0 will illuminate to represent the battery charge. You can charge the keyboard by plugging it into your computer or any USB charger. It will charge regardless of the mode. And that's it. That's everything you need to know to set up and charge your Dygma Sonsei. Next up, start typing, but that's for another video. Until then, see you!